Hey everyone! Tonight I'm going to show you how I make my quick and easy hot honey crunchy baked chicken. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start with our cornflakes. This is going to be used as our breading for our chicken. We're going to go ahead and add it to the food processor and we're going to blend it all up. Okay, now you want to go ahead and add your next portion of cornflakes into the food processor and blend it up. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in our grated Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to add our seasonings. We're using smoked paprika, pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and onion salt. Go ahead and dump those in and mix it all up. Next, put your dry batter in a bowl and set it to the side and mix up your eggs. Okay, next we're going to add our sriracha sauce to our egg batter. This is going to give our wet batter a little bit of kick and a little bit of heat. Now you want to go ahead and make sure that you mix it up really well. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and take your chicken pieces and add them to your wet batter. Then go ahead and put them in the dry batter. Make sure that you evenly coat each side of your chicken. Now, if you want a thin crust, you'll stop here and add them to your pan. But if you want a thick crust like I do, you're going to go ahead and dip them back into the wet batter, making sure to coat each side of the chicken. Then go ahead and put it back into the dry batter. And again, make sure that you evenly coat each side of the chicken, okay? That's going to give it that crunch that you want. Go ahead and place them on your baking pan and repeat this until you have all of your chicken pieces done. When you're done, we're going to go ahead and take our oil. I am using a grapeseed oil. You can also use olive oil or sunflower oil. Get a nice drizzle on top. You don't have to coat them completely, okay? Go ahead and pop them in your air fryer or your oven, whichever you choose. Now it's time to prepare our hot honey. In an already warm pan, go ahead and add your honey, your cayenne pepper, your sriracha sauce, pour it all in there, and you're going to go ahead and add your onion salt and your pink Himalayan salt and your garlic powder, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and mix everything up really well. And you want to use this on a low heat, okay? You don't want it to bubble because then it's going to make the honey get tough and really sticky, and we don't want that. So keep it on low. Now this is how they look when they're done, nice and golden and crunchy. You can go ahead and plate them up now and drizzle on that good hot honey. And you can also use a garnish. I am using some fresh thyme. You can also use fresh parsley. Let me know if you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. See you next time, guys.